This video covers CDN monitoring in ThousandEyes and why visibility into CDN performance is essential for monitoring SaaS and web applications. A content delivery network, or CDN, is infrastructure designed to distribute digital content across the globe. CDNs deliver data quickly from your application servers to users around the world. How do you ensure your CDN is performing as expected? ThousandEyes provides real-time insights into CDN performance, helping you maintain reliability and performance. In the page load test, the waterfall view provides detailed object-level information. With this view, administrators can quickly assess CDN responsiveness in relation to the entire page load time, including all associated web objects. This enables fast identification of issues with front-end services during performance impacts. To set up a new page load test, navigate to Network and App Synthetics, then click Test Settings. Click on Add New Test, and then Page Load. For the URL option, include the target application server URL. This covers both front-end communication and the origin server. Set how often the test runs, and select the agents to run it from. Choose Cloud and Enterprise agents located near your user's geographic regions. Click Deploy to create the test. Once the test is created, view the results by accessing the Views page and selecting the test you just created. In the waterfall view, you'll see detailed information about the domain, provider, file size, and timing. This shows where various objects are hosted and their impact on performance. Different objects may come from different sources, some from the CDN, some from the origin server, and others from third parties. This insight helps identify performance inefficiencies across the front-end and back-end architecture. You can also use metrics like page load time to summarize CDN performance. Since we chose agents located near the user's geographic regions, we can gather performance metrics for the specific CDN points of presence used by those users. Check the table in the HTTP server layer to see whether a connection to the edge location is successful and which server responded to the request. HTTP response headers provide even more detailed diagnostic information. To troubleshoot issues affecting a specific CDN point of presence or the connection between the origin and edge locations, use path visualization in the agent-to-server view. Path visualization helps identify interfaces with packet loss or links experiencing high latency between the source and the application front-end. This lets you pinpoint the exact location and cause of disruptions. That wraps up our look at CDN monitoring in ThousandEyes. With these tools, you can monitor, troubleshoot, and improve CDN performance to keep your applications reliable and fast. Thanks for watching.